Welcome to Spyder Auto's Eurotail installation guide for the Chevrolet Camaro. Before we get started, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, start by opening the hatch and removing the trunk filler panel. Next, unlock the 3 plastic retainers securing the cover panel by turning them with a flathead screwdriver. Now we can unseat the cover panel, but we can't remove it yet. Disconnect the rear speaker wiring harness. Then remove the cover panel and set it aside. Now peel back the trunk liner for access. Remove the inner thumb screw securing the tail light. We need to access another thumb screw but can't get to it yet. We have to remove the spare. Remove the spare tire hook. Then remove the compact spare and set it aside. Now that we have access, remove the outer thumb screw securing the taillight. Unseat the OEM taillight. Then remove all bulb sockets from the OEM taillight. Locate your Spyder taillight. Install all bulbs into their corresponding sockets in the Spyder taillight, taking care to ensure that all socket gaskets are in good shape to prevent condensation problems later. Now seat the Spyder taillight. We'll need to reinstall the 2 thumb screws to mount the taillight. Reinstall the outer thumb screw. Then reinstall the inner thumb screw. Next, reinstall your compact spare. Then install the spare retainer hook to keep the spare secure. Now locate your cover panel. Reconnect the speaker harness. Seat the cover panel. Then lock the 3 plastic retainers into position to secure the cover panel. Reinstall the trunk filler panel. Then just close the hatch and you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your Camaro with a set of Euro tail lights from Spyder Auto.